Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a house set on half-acre of land with a Victorian-style front lawn and a large enclosed backyard with a mixture of lawn grass and a concrete turf. The property contains two houses. The main house consists of two car garages, separate living and dining rooms, a kitchen with granite countertops, a back porch and a laundry room, bedrooms with closets, jacuzzi, and much more. The second house on the property consists of two bedrooms, a kitchen, and a bathroom. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.